I'm here with a foldable coffee dripper from Daiso. This costs around $2. Let's check it out and let's see how it works. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. So this says it is convenient for travel and storage. And on the back it says open up the product from the folded condition to use. Use a cone-shaped filter. When using a fan-shaped filter, fold it in a cone shape before use. How to remove base. Press in the base that is wrapped around the outer ring of the dripper toward the inside of the ring to remove. Press in the other base in the same way to remove. Wrap the base around the outer ring and fold up after use. Then it gives instructions for storage. Do not store in direct contact with items made of different metal. Do not store in a place subject to direct sunlight or high temperature and humidity. Keep out of reach of children. Then it says don't put in the dishwasher, don't put in the microwave, don't put in the oven. Material is stainless steel. Wash with dish detergent before first usage. Do not use a scrub brush or polishing powder with this product. Do not wash with dishwashers or dish dryers. Do not use for heating in ovens or microwaves. Do not apply force to the product or subject it to heavy impact. Do not leave the product wet. Immediately discontinue use if the product becomes deformed or damaged. Keep away from fire and other sources of heat. Do not use the product for purposes other than its intended purpose. That's a lot of instructions for this little item. Let's open it up. So this is what the item looks like. Here it is from the side. It's kind of flat. Somehow it has to open up into like a cone shape. I'm assuming we push down the base. There we go. That was easy. So here we have it. There's the cone that holds the filter. And then on the bottom here, this is the base that would go on the cup. So let me go grab a coffee filter. So this is the filter that I have. I don't know if it's the right filter. I'm hoping it is. And I'm just going to open it up and put it in here. And yeah, it fits. I just want to make sure it's in there. Good. Yeah, so it's kind of like, almost like a snow cone holder. Let me go heat up some water and grab a mug. I'm using a vintage cup and saucer because I thought it would be less messy if there are spills. And I'm placing the coffee thing on top. And I'm adding a tablespoon of ground coffee. And now let's add some hot water. I'm just adding it a little at a time to see what happens. So it seems to be working pretty well. Oh, see? That could be my fault. So the nice thing about this is that it should keep the water hotter than if you're using a ceramic one of these. I don't know what the proper name for this item is. I've seen them in ceramic. Most of the time I see them in plastic. They'll have the plastic coffee dripper, and I'm not a fan of plastics. With the ceramic, in order to keep the water hot, it's good to run the ceramic under hot water before you use it. A lot of people also say that you want to wet the coffee filter in hot water before using it. I didn't do that this time. But the fact that this would have such little surface area on the filter or the water would definitely help to keep the water hotter. So it looks like it's almost done. Grabbing another saucer to take this off. And there we have it. It worked really well to brew a cup of coffee. Yeah, that's very good. So for a travel coffee dripper or for a small kitchen, this works. This is a nifty little gadget. So it's a little while later and I rinsed off the coffee dripper. Let's see how easy it is to put it back into its folded position. I'm going to try to loop the bottom thing around. I don't know, I don't think I'm doing it correctly. Let's see what happens. I'm just trying to loop it around the bottom of this. Okay, that's not working. So we loop it around the second one. Okay, there we go. So this is what it looks like when it's folded up again. I just looped it through the second ring here. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So this is a really compact size. This is great for someone living in a small space. So the combination of this foldable coffee dripper with this immersion water heater makes a super portable and efficient solution for someone who enjoys coffee.